Hi guys, welcome back to another vlog. My name is Biyela Zulu. Welcome to my channel. Let me put you guys down. Yeah, I want to introduce this vlog because I saw that I don't normally introduce my vlogs, which is not good. That's not good. But yeah, this vlog is gonna be about what? I'm at home for recess. The vlog is going to incorporate of maintenance. I need to unbraid my hair. I need to do my own lashes. I need to do my nails and my toenails. And then we are going to umshado on Saturday. It's Thursday today. So now I'm going to time to relax my hair. Then Saturday, for umshado. So I'm going to take you guys along with me for the wedding. I'm so excited. And yeah, that's it. But firstly, I want to unbraid my cornrows because I did my cornrows last week. I need to take them down because I need to relax my hair because I can't go back to school without relaxing my hair, and I'm going to school soon, so yeah, tomorrow we're relaxing my hair. Bro, my cornrows are still fresh. Let me show you guys. They're still fresh if you ask me. And then look, they're still fresh, bro. But then I have to take them down because I need to relax my hair because I need to relax my hair because I'm gonna do igoda for the wedding. Initially I was gonna install, but then I saw if I installed something relax of it's family move before hand, it's gonna be a waste of money. Then really I want to relax my hair here because abantu basekeze impela bakwazi inqele zami because they abakwazi ukurelaxa inqele zami lapha engihlala khona. And I'm not saying for the kind of lamp. But yeah, I need to do all of those things here in KZN and go back to school sharp. So we're gonna take down my cornrows right now, and then tomorrow we're going to town to relax my hair. Most probably do my nails as well. But I'm still waiting for my cousin to text me because I texted her. She hasn't responded back to me. I enjoy that. But yeah, I just wanted to tell you that it's currently 1 p.m. and I haven't even started. No, I'm gonna start. I'm still resting. Yo guys, I'm already tired. I'm already tired. Mind you, I'm not even halfway through it. But saying guys, yo, I don't know if you guys are clean or what. Are you? Anyways guys, I'm halfway through it. I'd like to believe I'm halfway through it. And it's currently 10 to 4 o'clock. Yeah, mind you, because I need to start cooking. And I'm gonna finish this after. But then the thing is, I'm going to church. I'm gonna go 6. So I'm going to pick. When I come back from church, mind you, it's not the kind with 6, it's 9 because I'm going to the whole week. So at least I'm done with this part, and then I'm only left with this part of which I'm gonna finish episode. Then in the morning we're going to Londoza Tulo. What are we going to do? We're going to town to relax my hair. But anyways, yeah. Okay, man, I'm planning to deal. Phone fella go, phone fella la, no phone fella le, no phone fella le, no phone fella, no phone fella le, no phone fella. Guys, I'm in my sister's bedroom there, and she has those chips, like I'm a pretzels. I love pretzels with all in me, and got the wild. So if I finish them, probably walk quickly. So I'm just gonna finish them, and then if go to your house, I'm gonna be like, what? If I go to I also want to love vlog because I ate them. But anyways, yeah, well, I love pretzels. They are so nice. If you ask, I think I did actually, but I love them. Yeah, guys, I'm going to the traditional pancake. Oh, la la, yes, but anyways, it's maintenance. Let's do our maintenance. Period. Hi guys, it's what time is it? Oh, I don't even know what time it is. But then I'm going to town now to relax my hair. Yeah, I'm going to relax my hair and stuff. So come with me as I go to the salon. I want to show you guys my outfit, but then I don't know if you're gonna be able to see it. Wearing this top, this jersey, and a junior bag. Event. Yeah. Her. Salon. Unjan. Guys, I just got back home now from relaxing my hair. I need to style my hair because I might leave tonight. Like kuning I want to like, but yeah, let me do my hair. I'm scared. I don't know what I'm doing, but I'm doing it. Lan.
Yes. 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 Ah, what's up? Yes. Yes. We are gonna be
Hey, umama kamina. Anazi inkubo kababa kamina.